Good morning, guys. Today, like I promised, I'm gonna show you the camera of iPhone 11. But before I gonna show it to you, if you're not in my group yet, please don't forget to subscribe over here, like and comment, and please don't forget to hit that notification bell so you get notified in my next video. My friends and family, here is the video. Hello guys, this is the camera of iPhone 11. Like I said the other day or yesterday, I'm gonna show you why I love iPhone 11 camera. So just tap on the camera and then you see this, guys, you can see it is their natural light. You can also use the you know can also use, it says it will even tell you that move the camera a little farther so you can see. It says that's natural light. And then you can see this thing. See that? You can just turn that around like that. You can hold this and then you can tap it around. See that? And focus. You can take a picture when the circle comes in. And you can see if you think it's not clear enough, then you can just move that around. So that's very easy. Again, I'm gonna show you that again. See that one? See the light here? Anyway, they will tell you to move farther, and then it will show you that. See that? Hold that and you can just move around. And when that picture comes in, you can take a picture, or you can see the difference on the background. See that? And you can see that one is a stage light. They will even tell you that you can move it farther, can move it closer, can zoom in, zoom out. And if the light is not good enough, then you can tap that square, and then you can just move around. See that? Move around. You think it's clear enough? Then take picture. Like, see. Okay guys, I'll show you more in a little bit. Example. If you take a video of this, and then you can just move it around, enlarge that one if you want to focus it. Very, very easy. See? Make it small, make it big. See? If you want to focus the object, for example, you can adjust it by just tapping the screen and enlarge it. See? So this one, I'm very happy with iPhone 11 camera. See? You can enlarge it and make it small. Enlarge it again by just tapping the picture, and that's live. So it's amazing. See, you can make it small, and this is camera. And iPhone 7 Plus, 8, you cannot even do that. But this one is amazing how this one work. See? You can look at very close and you can make it small also, live. So just tapping the screen, you can do that. Before, I cannot do it with the lower numbers. For iPhone 7 Plus, 8, you cannot do this. But this one, I'm very happy because you can look at it close even if you are farther. It's amazing. See that? Even if you're far, you can make it close. So guys, it's just by tapping the screen or adjust the lighting. You can do it using the iPhone 11 camera. This is another example of the camera of iPhone 11. Before, I can't do this, or maybe just don't know how, but now it's getting better. Look at this. This is live and I can just do that. See? Before, I can do it with, I can do the zoom in and out with the video, of course, but not the video on my iPhone. But look at this. Amazing. I enjoyed it. Oh, I'm learning more. So iPhone 11 is good for a person like me that don't know much. So look guys, I'm far, but I can zoom in those places. Just at the corner of the house. Look. So I enjoyed it. It's amazing. See, these are far, but I can zoom in now. And it's so clear, right? This is amazing. Even if you are far, I can see it closer now. I'm in the other side of the house. I'm in the other corner. And I can zoom in now, see? It's amazing. I enjoyed iPhone 11 camera. So guys, iPhone 11 is recommended. If you want iPhone Max or iPhone Pro, but for me, this is good enough for me. So my friends, don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment if you like this video. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so you can see my next video. Thank you.